Class 10, Exercise 1A, question number 9 and 10 of R.S. Agarwal book. Question number 9. Prove that if x and y are both odd positive integers, then x square plus y square is even. Its form is even, where x is a positive odd integer and also y is a positive odd integer. Is even but not divisible by 4. Solution. Let x be a positive odd integer. Its form is 2m plus 1. And y is also another form of odd positive integer. 4m plus 1 are the odd positive integers. Now we can write x square plus y square is equal to value of x is 2m plus 1. Then we can write behalf of x 2m plus 1 whole square plus value of y is 4m plus 1 whole square is equal to a plus b whole square of a plus b. A square, it means 2m square plus 2 into a means 2m into b is 1 plus b square, it means 1 square. Similarly, whole square of 4m plus 1, we can write 4m square plus 2 into 4m into 1 plus 1 square. Now we are solving 2 whole square of 2m, 4m square plus 2 to the 4, m or 1 m plus 1 square 1 plus 16m square plus 2 4 ja 8 m plus whole square of 1 is 1. Now 4m square 4m square 16m square 4m square 60m square. Where is the like term? 4m plus 8m 1 plus 1. We get x square plus y square is equal to 4m square plus 16m square is equal to 20m square plus 4m plus 8m 12m 1 plus 1 2. Now x square plus y square, in this term 2 is common. 2 10m square plus 6m plus 1. 2 is common in this term. Here this whole term is divisible by 2. Here 2 10m square plus 6m plus 1 is divisible by 2. Is 2m is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 4. Here it means x square plus y square is not divisible by 4. It is divisible by 2. It's proved. Now question number 10 of this exercise. Question number 10 of this exercise. We have to prove that question number 10 is use Euclid's algorithm to find HCF of 1190 and 1445. Express the HCF in the form of 1190m plus 1445n. To solve this question, we divide 1445 by 1190. In 1 times we get 1119 and get their and subtract it from 1445, we get 245 as a remainder. It means its remainder is not equal to 0 and 255 less than 1109. It means by step first we can write by the help of Euclid division algorithm. We can write dividend is equal to product of divisor into quotients plus remainder. We can solve it. We can get value of 255 is equal to 1445 minus, its sign is plus, and when it goes in left side minus sign, we get it. It's equation 1. In step 2, remainder divides divisor 1190, we get remainder 170. 170 less than divisor 255. In step 2, by help of Euclid division lemma, we can write dividend 1090 is equal to product of divisor into quotients plus remainder 170. A value of 170 is equal to 1190 minus 255 into 4. It is equation 2. In step 3, remainder is not equal to 0. It means remainder 170 divides divisor 255. In 1 times get remainder 85. This remainder is not less than 0 but less than divisor 170. By Euclid division lemma, we can write dividend is equal to product of divisor into quotients plus remainder. In this step 3, 255 is a dividend, 170 is divisor, 1 is quotients plus 85 is remainder. Equation 3. Now in step 4, we get 85 is the divisor and 170 is dividend. In 2 times we get remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. It means 85 is HCF of 1445 and 1190. It is HCF. We can write HCF 85 is equal to HCF 85 is equal to here 85 from equation 3. 85 is equal to, when we solve, 255 minus 170 is equal to 85. 85 we can write 85 is equal to 255 minus 170. 170 into 1, we can write also 1 from equation 3. Now putting the value of 170 from equation 2. Value of here from equation 2. Value of 170 is equal to 1190 minus 245 into 4. 255 into 4. We get, and value of 255 from equation 1 is equal to 145 minus 1190 into 1. It is value of 245 from equation 1, and 1190 minus 255 into 4, it's a value of 107 from equation 2. Now 255 is equal to 1445 minus 1190 into 1 minus 1190 minus 245 into 4. Now 85 implies 85 is equal to, now 1445 minus 1190 into 1 minus now minus 1190 is here, and minus value of 245 is equal to, value of 245 is equal to 1445 minus 1445 minus 1190 into 1 and multiply by 4. So we get 1090 minus it is value of 245 and multiply by 4 times of value of 245 is equal to 145 minus 1190 into 1, or plus minus minus, and 1445 into 4, minus minus plus, minus 119 into 4. Now in this 1445 1 times, 1445 times, 4 times, we add 1 times and 4 times, 1445 5 times, minus 191 times or 1 times, it's a 2 times, or minus 1190 into 4, 4 times. Now 1445 into 5 minus 1190 into 6, here 4 times or 2 times, 6 times. Now 1445 plus 1190 minus common, minus 6. Now value of 1445 is equal to n, and minus 6 is equal to n m. Here m is equal to minus 6, n is equal to 5. Now then we 85 is equal to 110 minus 6 is equal to m, and 1445 is equal to n. It is a form of this question proved.